aptitude towards change. Characteristics of research. 1. It is a scientific investigation. Research means to search again. It connotes patient study and scientific investigation. 2. It develops concepts and the theories. One reason for conducting research is to develop and evaluate concepts and the theories. 3. It expands the limits of knowledge. Basic or pure research attempts to expand the limits of knowledge. It is conducted to verify the acceptability of a given theory or to know more about a certain concept. 4. It cannot be implemented immediately. It does not directly involve the solution to a particular problem, its findings generally cannot be implemented immediately. 5. It is an essential tool for good decision making. The task of educational research is to make the information used in decision making more accurate. Educational research is a managerial tool that provides information essential for good decision making. Research in teaching, training, organizing, or management areas of an institution is within the scope of training research. Educational research reduces the risk of making wrong decisions. It is an aid to management judgment, not a substitute for it. Aims and objectives of research. To discover answers to questions through the application of scientific procedures, its main aim is to find out the truth which is hidden and which has not been discovered as yet. Though each research study has its own specific purpose, we may think of research objectives as falling into a number of following broad groupings. 1. To gain familiarity with a phenomenon or to achieve new insights into it. Exploratory or formulative research studies. 2. To portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual, situation or a group. Descriptive research studies. 3. To determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with something else. Diagnostic research studies. 4. To test a hypothesis of a causal relationship between variables, hypothesis testing research studies. Types of research.